Hi everybody. Day 4 of Sing Along with Mr. and Mrs. Beesley. That's our friendly sloth, and just 2 songs today. One's a new one and one's a nice quiet one. And I'm going to teach us on to a bit of exercises. Joe Wicks couldn't make it today, so you've got me and Jane today. And it's called, the first one, Don't Be a Sofa Lofa. So if I drink a tea, 1 minute. Don't be a sofa loafer. A loafer is somebody who loafs around, a bit like a sloth. It goes like this. Actions involved, so get ready to move. Okay. I'll just teach the words first. First line is don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a lazy slouch. Okay, let's try that again. Don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a lazy slouch. It goes like this. Watch Jane. You gotta clap, clap, clap. You gotta turn around. You gotta reach the sky. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. Very good, Jane. Try that one again. You gotta clap, clap, clap. You gotta clap. Clap, clap. You gotta turn around. You gotta reach the sky. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. I'd like to see Joe Wicks do this one, yeah? Okay, from the start. Don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a lazy slouch. Are you ready? Don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a lazy slouch. You gotta clap, clap, clap. You gotta turn around. You gotta reach the sky. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. Right, I think you got it now, yeah? Ready to go for it this time? Grown-ups as well, I know you're watching and dying to join in. Joe Wicks, if you're watching, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Or even Joe Blythe. Don't be a sofa loafer. Get up off your couch. Don't be a sofa loafer. Don't be a lazy slouch. You gotta clap, clap, clap. You gotta turn around. You gotta reach the sky. Clap your arms and fly. You gotta clap, clap, clap. You gotta turn around. You gotta reach the sky. Clap your arms and fly. Clap your arms and fly. Cool, we'll do that again tomorrow, hey? Right, the next one, a nice quiet one. And Jade's going to play a cello for this one, so listen out for the sound of the cello. Come to the quiet, come to the peace, come to the quiet, come to the peace. Let me just repeat that, come to the quiet, come to the peace. Come to the quiet, come to the peace, come to the quiet, come to the peace. Behind the chatter, leave behind the rush, leave behind the rush, leave behind the shouting, leave behind the shouting, leave behind the fuss, leave behind the fuss. Come to the quiet. Come to the peace, come to the quiet, come to the peace. Come with your dreaming, come with your dreaming, come with your fears. Come with your fears, come with your laughter, come with your laughter, come with your tears, come with your tears, come to the quiet, come to the quiet. Come to the peace, come to the quiet, come to the peace. One more time, come to the quiet, come to the quiet, come to the peace, come to the quiet, come to the Okay, folks, we'll see you again tomorrow. That was a lovely fishy music song to finish with there. Take care, and so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.